Get ready, because this is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's a masterpiece of engineering, sleek, smart, and incredibly sophisticated. This car is crafted for those who don't just want a car, but demand performance, precision, and prestige in every single detail. It's more than just a way to get around. It's a statement. At first glance, the new E-Class is simply stunning. Mercedes has masterfully blended timeless elegance with cutting-edge aerodynamics. Your eyes are immediately drawn to that signature front grille, now flanked by state-of-the-art digital LED headlamps that give it a presence that's both bold and graceful. It looks powerful, yet refined. As you move along the side, you'll notice the flowing lines and the sculpted profile. These aren't just for show. They're designed to enhance airflow, which improves both fuel efficiency and the car's overall aesthetics. Every curve and every edge has a purpose. It's the kind of luxury that looks just as smooth as it drives, creating a silhouette that is unmistakably Mercedes-Benz, but with a futuristic twist that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Now let's step inside, because this is where the magic truly happens. You're not just getting into a car, you're entering a sanctuary of digital luxury. The first thing you'll notice is the breathtaking MBUX Superscreen. This incredible feature seamlessly integrates the digital instrument panel and a dedicated passenger display under one massive, continuous glass panel. It's like something out of a science fiction movie. The Hey Mercedes voice assistant is smarter than ever, and the augmented reality navigation projects directions right onto the road ahead, making wrong turns a thing of the past. Plus, with over-the-air updates, your car is always evolving. The ambient lighting offers 64 different colors to match your mood, while the premium leather seats and the immersive 4D Burmester sound system deliver a level of comfort and entertainment that is simply beyond imagination. Under the hood, the 2026 E-Class offers a range of impressive powertrains designed to suit any driving style. It all starts with the refined 2.0-liter turbocharged mild hybrid engine, which provides a fantastic blend of power and efficiency. For those who crave a bit more punch, more powerful inline-six options are also available. The mild hybrid technology isn't just a buzzword, it provides a smooth boost during acceleration and significantly improves fuel economy. All of this power is managed by the incredibly smooth 9G-tronic transmission, ensuring seamless gear changes and a quiet, serene cabin. Whether you're cruising in comfort mode or unleashing its full potential in Sport Plus, the E-Class delivers the perfect balance between tranquil serenity and exhilarating strength. When it comes to safety and innovation, Mercedes-Benz continues to set the industry benchmark, and the new E-Class is no exception. This car is packed with advanced systems that make it feel almost alive. Features like Active Distance Assist, Distronic help you maintain a safe distance from the car ahead, even in stop-and-go traffic. The autonomous parking system can guide the car into tight spots with incredible precision, and the Active Lane Change Assist makes highway driving safer and more effortless than ever before. This isn't just driver assistance, it's a new level of driving intelligence. The car is constantly sensing, predicting, and protecting you on every road, giving you unparalleled peace of mind on every journey. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class starts at around $62,000, offering a remarkable blend of timeless design, groundbreaking innovation, and pure, unadulterated comfort. This car proves that it's not just about reaching your destination, it's about cherishing every single moment of the journey. And if you enjoyed this review, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at 2026 most advanced vehicles.